রেডিও শুনি আচ্ছা আচ্ছা বুঝলে খবর সাউন্ড না সাউন্ড করে ইংলিশ আচ্ছা আমি প্রথম ক বড় দিয়ে কব হ্যাঁ এরপরে হ্যাঁ এরপরে ইংলিশ খুম্পুই
itu balik berapa itu? Ya tak boleh buat itu. Jadi itu orang di sini. Oke. Kalau salah, masalah itu. Zak boleh sirla. Situ. Sirla malah itu. Aku nak mulai.
রেডি আছে তো Good evening, my the media friends, print media, electronic media, and social media who are all present here. Our heartiest thanks to you all for being present here. Now I would like to announce the list of the candidate of the party. I take this privilege on behalf of the chairman to announce the list of the candidate. We are going to announce of 17 constituency list and followed by the other maybe tomorrow. May I read out the name of the candidate of different constituency? The name of the candidate for Damsara Jampui is Sri Babaranjan Riya. Number 2, Sri Kantilal the Burma Damsara Kuchaswara. 3, Sri Nakuljoy Riyan Ganganagar Gandasara. 4, Sri Anumesh de Burma, Kulai Champawa. 5th, Sri Rajas Tripura, Raima Valley. 6th, Sri Sohel de Burma, Ramchandragarh. 7th, Sri Runel de Burma, Bujjungnagar, Wakinagar. 8th, Sri Chittaranjan de Burma, Mandanagar, Pulenpur. 9, Sri Purna Chandra Jamatia, Killa Bagma. 10, Miss Kuluiti Jamatia, Maharani, Selagam. 11, Sri David Mura Singh, Kathilia Mirza, Rajapur. 12, Miss Pavitra Mala Jamatia, Ampi Nagar. 13, Sri Chandrirang Riyan, Nutun Bazar, Malbasa. 14, Sri Harindra Riyan, Birchandra Nagar, Kalasi. 15, Sri Kamal Kalai, Maharanipur, Telamura. 16, Sri Ratanjay Tripura, Samonu. 17, Sri Ganesh de Burma, Pekwa Jala, Janme Joynagar. So these are the 17 candidate list that has been read out. Now, let me talk in Kokborok. Belake sari kaham. Kisah nasi, media kisah kamera reading yang tongka, abang bagai, dan kisah wait kayaknya. Kisah nak kerti sini media dan kamera reading yang tongka, reading kakak hendak kau berubah, sakla jangan. Belake sari kaham, ini ni sal kaham, hari jarawa. Belake hambai sini particularly ini jara Kokborok channel je tongnai. Nama belake hambai, tapi jatuh hosting jatuh channel orang kaya media orang belake hambai. Ini seng 17 candidate ni mung seng sakla jagnai. Mung rong khan ang pori nai mung sakla jagnai bugrani permission bai tadi pramathani joto executive committee ni angko decision bai ango tini ni 17 ta bumung list na ang porikhana nai Sri Babu Ranjan Riyang bohangkai damsara jampuyo bobasanai. Number 2 Sri Kantilal the Burma Demsora Kachusora wo bobasanai. 3 number hangakai Sri Nakuljoy Riyang Ganganagar Garnasara hangai sini 4 number hangai sini musang Onmes the Burma Kulai Champahawar sini musang Rajesh Tripura hangai pokok Raima Valley hangai sini musang Sohel the Burma boh hangai Ramchandra Ghat sini musang Runel the Burma kakak Bojong Nagar Wakil Nagar hangai sini musang Chittaranjan the Burma bokai Mandai Nagar Pulinpur sini musang Purno Chandra Jamutia boh kakai Killa Bagma hangai sini musang Zuk Kuluiti Jamutia bokai Maharani Chalagang hangai sini musang David Murasing boh hangai Katlia Mirza Rajapur hangai sini musang Zuk Pavitra Mala Jamutia boh kakai sini Ompi Nagar hangai sini Hain Hai tesa musang Zuk Chandrirung Riang boh hangai Nutun Bazar Malbasa hangai 14 number hangai sini musang Harindra Riang boh kakai Bir Chandra Nagar Kalasi hangai sini 15 number hangai sini musang Kamal Koloi Moharanipur Telamura sini 16 number hangai sini musang Ratnajoy Tripura boh ke Samonu sini 17 number hangai Sri Ganesh the Burma boh hangai Pekwajola Janma Joynagar और 17 ta tini sini candidate mung sakla jaka sing kai baki tamon hangakai sing khana sakla jakna belaknya hambai ini known all presence tamon. Thank you.
Election which is
Huh? Often of the sunse na ko